Have you ever heard of Ingress and Egress? Well, the Gemini astronauts had to learn how to get in and get out of their capsule, and I'm going to show you how they did it.
Hi, I'm John Williams, and I'm standing in front of the Gemini spacecraft Egress trainer. This little capsule itself was used on a vomit comet, which is the new terms for a zero-G plane that does parabolas to simulate zero-G. This capsule is very realistic is very similar to the real one, and it's what the Gemini astronauts would have used to train how to get in and out of a spacewalk. So when they're on a spacewalk, they had to use this mock-up to simulate how they could get back in the spacecraft. So if we come over here, we also find the Gemini Mission Simulator. This simulator is what the Gemini astronauts use to simulate a mission, liftoff, doing operations, and even like getting out for a spacewalk. Simulated. As you can see, it has 2 seats, and a cool fact is if you look right there, you can see a striped little handle. That is called a D-ring. And what that D-ring does is that if the commander were to pull it, him and his pilot would both be ejected via ejection seats right here, like the ones they used in aircraft. These would have ejected them during the first 30 seconds of the launch, and NASA didn't realize that when they were making these, this actually would have killed the astronauts because a little fire inside this capsule burning at 100% oxygen would have set the astronauts on fire. Luckily, none of the Gemini astronauts did eject, so we're okay. So as you can see in this photo right here, you can see John Young and another astronaut training inside this exact simulator. And over here you can see the Ingress trainer. Right here, there's an astronaut getting in and out in the zero-G plane. Now also, if we come over here, past the 2 Gemini capsules, we come to these artifacts. Now, if we come over here and look, these are bits and pieces of a Gemini suit. Right here we have the underlayer of the boots, which had a silver coating that protected them from radiation. Then you had the overboot, you had the glove, you had the umbilical cord, which would have connected the astronaut suit with oxygen and communication on a spacewalk. And then you have the Gemini handheld maneuvering unit, which was used particularly on Gemini 4 when Ed White became the first American to do a spacewalk. He exited his Gemini capsule with his umbilical cord attached, and he used this manned maneuvering unit. As you can see right here, there are some little holes, and these canisters would blow some bits of fuel around so he could control himself. NASA thought that's how the astronauts were going to control themselves in the vacuum of space. Spoiler alert, it didn't work too well, and we upgraded to thrusters around the astronaut suits. So this is really cool stuff, and these are just the trainers that the Gemini astronauts used. Really cool. Please subscribe. Share our videos and excitement about space with everyone.